Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review. So a while back I posted a video about how to use this mascara to get long lashes, and I was very disappointed because I didn't get long lashes. A lot of us ladies are born with short lashes, myself included, and we would like to get extended lashes, but we can't without putting on fake lashes. I was very excited to get this mascara, but was a bit disappointed because it did not give me long lashes. Now, I posted that video and I got a lot of feedback on, what I did wrong, what I could do better. And so I've been playing around with a lot of different tools. When I do my makeup, I don't wear a lot of makeup because, as you can see, I have freckles and I really love my freckles. So I wear concealer sometimes when I have bags around my eyes. I definitely wear lipstick because I love bright lips, and I always do my eyebrows. One of the other things I do is my lashes, but I don't want to wear fake lashes. I want to wear my own lashes, but I want to have them be elongated. Long lashes. Okay, so what I found is that I can use any mascara, this mascara or any mascara in a drugstore or whatever you can afford. It doesn't have to be the $150 mascara. And then you are going to need an eyelash curler. Yes, an eyelash curler. So as you can see, my lashes are short and naturally curly, so obviously I'm not going to be curling my lashes upwards. What I am going to do is I'm going to show you a unique technique that I use to get my lashes to look very, very long. Let's go. So you are going to take the eyelash curler of any kind. I believe I got this one from CVS, so it doesn't have to be a very expensive one. And instead of curling upwards, you are going to curl downwards. So I'm going to elongate my lashes, the short ones that I have, so that it can be outward instead of upwards. So you're going to rest it on your eye bone here. Close your eyes very safely and then squeeze down. And then I hold for about maybe 10 or 15 seconds. Okay, now once I'm ready to release, what I do is I release a little bit of the pressure, and then while it's still closed, try to like smoothly release it out like that. So if you look here in comparison to this lash, it's actually straight now. And it makes it appear that I have more length now than I did before. So now what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put my mascara on, and it is going to give it a little bit of length. So as you can see, with only one application, I look like I have fake lashes, extended lashes, la la la, but it's my natural lash. So I apply at least maybe 5 layers because I love beautiful long lashes. Okay, what I also do is at the very tip, I brush on a little extra when I'm finished, just to give it some more definition. Perfect. Now, I also do my bottom lashes as well. I don't curl them or straighten them or anything like that. I just like to add a little bit of mascara to it so it can give my eye that extra definition that I really love. So I'm going to do the bottom lash, and I'm also going to do this side, and I'll come back with the finished product.